How to create your own Memoji on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is tap on the call or phone app available in your iPhone's home screen. Once you tap on the phone app, simply navigate to the contact section. Now there you can see your name at the top, the name you have kept in your iPhone. All you have to do is tap on your name, then tap on the edit button available at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the edit, again, tap on the edit option available right below your profile picture. Then swipe and tap on the create own button available there. Now there you can see Memoji button available. Tap on it. Now this is the Memoji you have already created, but if you do not like this one and if you want to edit the new one, then you can simply tap on the plus icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen and create your own new Memoji. Now here, once you're satisfied with your Memoji design, then all you have to do is tap on the save or done button available at the top right. You can also choose your profile picture, choose it according to your preferences and save it to your device. And after you do so, you will be able to successfully create your Memoji on your device. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.